So, I'm Kim Tatum. I'll explain a little bit about our project VALORADA in City Science Lab. It's a Horizon Europe project. In addition to HCU, we have 13 further partners, and of these, there are 5 demonstration regions in France, Italy, Greece, Bulgaria, and Czechia. Core objectives of the project are a little bit jargony, as anyone familiar with the EU projects might know, but in essence, VALORADA is about the use of data and the value of data. That's where the word valorada comes from the Spanish to value, and how we can improve this for climate adaptation and climate resilience. The first step that we took in the project was to develop with the regional stakeholders so-called climate impact chains, where we tried to identify climate hazards, climate risks, points of sensitivity, adaptivity concerns, and any data which they already have available that can be useful for this, and try to align where certain regions might be able to work together on similar topics. And one of the key takeaways from these workshops with the stakeholders was sort of 2 separate problems, which are in essence very similar, that no matter whether they're technical stakeholders or more bureaucratic, administrative stakeholders, they don't know where to begin with the whole subject of data. So they know that data is out there, but is it useful? How is it useful? Or they have so much data in some repository somewhere, but they don't know what to do with it. And this is where our task in the project is really relevant. Our role is to create a so-called Resilienz-Information-Catalog. And these catalogs work before cataloging the data with cataloging the climate risk indicators, which each of the demonstrators have co-developed in the project. So first, it's how to use the data, and the data is then organized on that basis, linking these indicators to tools which will be developed by other partners in the project to visualize the indicators themselves. And our goal is to therefore help build understanding about the usefulness of data, whether it's climate-specific data like temperatures or projections, or local data like vulnerability assessments for local populace. So our prototype catalog is not ready yet, but we will be developing this together with our partners in France and prototyping this in 2025 in further workshops.